Hello everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to optimize Shopify pages speed. So let's get started. First, go to your Shopify dashboard. From the left side, click on Apps, then click on All Recommended Apps. After that, select Shopify App Store. Now, in the search bar, type Booster. You will see the Booster Page Speed Optimization app. It is completely free, easy to use, and very simple to manage. Click on it and then click Install. Once the app is installed, you just need to complete a simple 3-step setup. Step 1 is to enable the theme extension. Click on it and your theme customization settings will open. Look for the Booster option and enable it. If it is already enabled, just make sure to save the settings. Next, go back to the Booster app page and you will see that Step 2 is verified. Finally, preview your store, and once everything looks fine, come back to the app. Now your setup is complete. Before installing the Booster app, I checked my website speed. After installing the app, I tested it again. As you can see, the performance improved both on mobile and desktop. This is how you can quickly optimize and boost your Shopify pages speed. If you want to try Shopify, check the link in the description below to register. You'll get 3 months for just $1. Thanks for watching.